Removing best friends from Snapchat is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand how the best friends feature works before diving in. Snapchat's best friends are determined by the frequency with which you interact with certain friends on the platform. These individuals appear at the top of your friends list, making it easier to send them snaps and messages. However, if you want to remove someone from this list, here's how you can do it. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once on the main screen, tap on your profile icon, which is located in the upper left-hand corner. This will take you to your profile page, where you'll see different options like Stories and Friends lists. Scroll down until you find the My Friends section and tap on it. This section lists all your Snapchat friends, but the people you've interacted with most recently will appear at the top as your best friends. Next, to remove someone from your best friends list, select the friend's name from the list. Tap on their name to go directly to their profile. Once on their profile, you'll see 3 dots located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open up more options. From the menu that appears, select Manage Friendship. This will give you the option to either block or remove the person. Tap on Remove Friend, and then confirm your action by tapping Remove again. By doing this, not only will the person be removed from your best friends list, but they will also no longer be your friend on Snapchat. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.